We're just a couple of days away from the big reveal of the Samsung Galaxy S25 series, and no surprise here, the last-minute leaks and rumors are pouring in. The latest buzz. If you've been eyeing the top-tier Galaxy S25 Ultra, you might be out of luck depending on where you live. According to leaker Chunv, the much-hyped 16GB RAM version of the Galaxy S25 Ultra will only be available in China, South Korea, India, and Vietnam. For the rest of the world, you're stuck with the 12GB RAM version. If true, that's kind of a letdown. The Galaxy S24 Ultra already has 12GB RAM, so this would mean no upgrade in that department for most of us. The jump to 16GB was supposed to be one of the standout improvements. Of course, as with all leaks, take this with a grain of salt, but the source has been pretty reliable in the past. Unfortunately, that's not the only bummer news about the Galaxy S25 Ultra. We've also seen what seem to be official marketing images of the phone and its S Pen, and they hint at something unexpected, a lack of Bluetooth for the stylus. The images, shared by Dalglishx and reposted by Taran Vats on X, show features like sketching and note-taking. But there's no mention of cool Bluetooth-enabled tricks like gesture controls, using the pen as a camera remote, or taking screenshots. While this doesn't 100% confirm the S Pen is going Bluetooth-free, it definitely seems like a possibility. The marketing text also mentions that the S Pen has 4096 pressure levels, same as last year, but the temp is now 1.5mm, up from 0.7mm in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. That could make it feel a bit different to use, maybe even better for some tasks. And finally, here's a bit of a silver lining. If you're in Europe, the Galaxy S25 series might not cost more than its predecessor. A new leak from Gizmochina suggests that pricing for the base models of the S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra will stay similar to the Galaxy S24 lineup. However, it's worth noting the leak doesn't mention prices for the 512GB and 1TB storage variants. Those might see a bump. Considering the Galaxy S25 lineup is running on Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which costs more than the previous chips, this pricing strategy would mean Samsung is taking a hit on profits to keep costs stable for customers. The Samsung Galaxy S25 series will officially be unveiled on January 22, so we'll have all the details soon. Whether you're hyped or skeptical, it's almost time to see what Samsung has in store. So, what are your thoughts on the upcoming S25 lineup? Let's chat in the comments below. Until then, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.